Hello, how's it going? So today we are gonna do LeetCode 969 pancake sorting. Give an array of integers, sort array by performing a series of pancake flips. In one pancake flip, we do the following steps: choose an integer, and reverse the subarray. So, for example, 3, 2, 1, 4, and can perform pancake flipping and yeah, the question itself, so the output is the k. So if you write a helper function called flip k, so basically in your result you have to output the k. So if you perform 4 2 4 3 consecutively, you will get 1 2 3 4 sorted. So because the original array is 3 2 4 1, and then if you flip 4, it means you reverse the whole thing. You get 1 4 2 3, right? And then if you flip 2, which means you flip the first two elements, then you get 4 1 2 3. And next step, you flip 4, so basically you reverse the whole thing, so you get 3 2 1 4, right? And last but not last, you flip 3, which means that you flip the first three numbers, and so basically you get 1 2 3 4, right? So basically you are just given a non-sorted array, and you have to somehow like get it sorted to 1 2 3 4, but then your output is actually the flip functions, like the k number. So there are many ways to do the pancake, but I just want to quickly share my algorithm. So basically, because I have to sort it, so I will just fix at each step. Let me just copy my original. This is the original input. So because I have to keep it sorted, so my algorithm actually start loop from the back to the front, and at my each step I will get the largest number and bring it to the back. For example, right now my I starts from the very end, and my largest number in the array is 4, and I somehow have to get the 4 here. But using the flip function, I can only like change the first three. So change the first few elements. So how can I get the largest till the end? So my algorithm is find the largest number and bring the largest number to the front of the array. So basically reverse this part, bring 4 to the front of the array. So you will become 4 2 3 1. After it's becoming 4 2 3 1, I just need to flip the whole thing and bring the 4 to the end. So the array will, after reverse the whole thing, it will become 1 3 2 4. So I am done with this index, and I decrement my index. At this point, I also want to find the largest number from 0 to I, and my largest number is 3. So I also try to bring the 3 till the end. How do I do that? The same, bring the largest number to the front and then reverse this subarray. So I will flip this two numbers and bring it to the front. So the array will become 3 1. At this point, I can just flip array I rays to bring the largest number to my I. So the array will become 1 2 3 4. 2 1 3 4. Sorry. Okay, right now I'm done with this index. I decrement my I, and at this point I do the same. I find the largest number and bring it to the front. Right now it's at the front, and then I bring my front number to I, so it will become 1 2, and I decrement my I. So I loop from back to front and do the whole thing. So so this is my flip function. So I'm given a k. So basically I can flip the first k plus 1 numbers. So k is actually index. So basically while my start is less than the k, then I would just switch the start and k and increment and decrement the indexes. I don't return anything because my array is like modified, flipped in place. Okay, that's my helper flip function. So in my main function, as I said before, I loop through the end, from end till the front. So for I in range length of array -1, -1, -1, that's how you loop from back to front. And then I call what? Remember, in my algorithm, I always have to find the largest numbers index, right? So for example, in my original array, when my I is here, I have to find the largest number fourth index, which is 3, right? So that's my helper function to find the largest number index. So initialize it as 0, and whenever I see a number's index, the value is greater than my largest numbers index, so I update my largest number index and return. So this is basically a simple helper function to find the largest numbers index. So what I do in the main function, I will call my helper function, find the largest index, get the index, right? And I initialize my result array and append that index plus 1. So for example, right now when my I is at here, what is my index here? What is my largest number index? It's gonna be fourth index, which is 0, 1, 2. It will be 2, right? So, but like k is 1 based, so I have to append index plus 1. And also, so basically, I call flip array index. So basically I bring my largest number to the front, right? After doing that, remember in my algorithm, after bringing it to the front, I have to flip the whole thing. So 3 to 4 becomes 4 to 3. 4 to 3. After this thing, I have to flip the whole thing, right? So my result append I minus 1, I plus 1. So basically, my I right